This is a Acools storage rack. It's a lumber rack wall mount system, durable, comes in orange for lumber, material, you name it, a 2-pack. What we're going to do is show you how to install it and what we could put on it. It's indoors and outdoors use. Let's open up the package, show you what you get inside. A nice pamphlet gives you information of 7.5 inches in opening on one, 12.5 on the other, by 16 inches outward in depth and 24 inches in height, that you could do 2 shelves, 3 shelves, and so forth. We're going to be hanging a lumber support, and we're going to put up one bracket, and then we're going to be measuring and leveling everything out. Pick the height you want and screw down. Before placing the other one on, grab a level, be in the bubble, and then screw down. Place your next piece and make sure the holes face sideways and level. When you're happy with the way it's on, you could put your first one up. Please don't let this go because it's going to slide and fall off. You can put the bell nuts on the outside or the inside, your discretion. With the right angle tool, you're going to tighten down. We do our best to line up for the other side the same way. If we have it marked, we then go ahead and drill. If not, we take a tape measure and we measure the height where everything needs to go. I'm all done. We know how heavy these containers are, and this is just one at the very end. So this could hold a lot of weight. It's not meant to be super strong, but check the weight limit online before you put anything heavier on each of the arms. If I want to put a ladder on, I can do so. Not a problem. Everything fits. And I can slide it back for more security and put another ladder on as well. You don't know how heavy this is. It's heavy enough that I can stick up there. I can put a lot of lumber on there. Do a lot of things. You get the idea of where we're going. If you want to dress up with a snowboard, a scooter, on the shelf, making sure it fits nice and comfortable like so. And many other items, as you can see. I hope this is a product that you are looking for to put your lumber, your products, showcase in a studio, a house, or warehouse, make extra room for you. I hope you enjoy your lumber support product.